Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to learn and grow daily. Now we'll be breaking the developmental milestones, and this breaking will be as per the year. So let's look at 1 year what happens, at 2 years what happens, 3, 4, 5 respectively. So at 1 year, the motor is the child is able to walk. The walk with support. So it needs support. It requires support. The adaptive is there's a mature pincer grasp. They are able to speak 2 to 3 words. Next, it is able to play a ball game, as well as the domestic mimicry is seen at 18 months. So this is about 1 year. Next we move on to the 2 years. So here in 2 years, the motor is it walks up and down the stairs 1 step at a time. So walks up and down the stairs 1 step. So it is 1 step at a time. So it walks 1 step at a time. And the adaptive is it makes about 2 blocks. So we already discussed that is in case of 2 into 3, 3 is what we multiply it with. So it is 6 blocks. Next, the language sentences, it is able to make simple sentences. So the child is able to make some sentences as well. The social is it asks for the food and starts toilet training and listens to stories. So the child can ask for food as well as toilet, starts toilet training. Next we move on to the 3 years of age. So here in 3 years of age, as the name suggests 3, it is a tricycle. So tricycle, the child is able to ride the tricycle. Now looking at adaptive, it makes a tower of 9 blocks. So as we discussed, 3 into 3, so it is able to make 9 blocks. Next is the handedness is supposed to be established. So the handedness is established. Next is at 3 years, the child is able to know 3 things. So name, age, as well as gender. And at 3 years, the child is able to play a simple ball game and engages in parallel play with other children. So at 3 years, the child is able to do a parallel play. So there are 3 lines. At 3 years, there is parallel play. And next, moving on to the 4 years. So at 4 years, the motor is able to hop. So 1 hop, 2 hop, 3 hop, and 4 hops. So the child is able to hop at 4 years of age. Next is the adaptive. So adaptive is it draws a square and constructs a bridge with the blocks. So at 4 years, what we discussed is the child is able to draw a plus sign. So by doing a plus sign, the child is also able to draw a square. Next, looking at the language, it is able to tell stories. So at 4 years, the child has more intellect and is able to tell stories. And at 4 years, the child is able to go to the toilet alone. So toilet alone at 4 years of age. Next, we move on to 5 years of age. So at about 5 years of age, the motor is the child is able to skip. At 5 years, the child is able to skip. The adaptive is it is about to draw a triangle. The child can be able to draw a triangle, and it can also ask the meaning of words. So there's a triangle, and the child has more intellect at 5 years, so they'll ask questions. So the child is able to ask questions. That is, what does the word mean? So next, what is a social milestone at 5 years? The social milestone at 5 years will be dress and undress.